Hey there everyone, in this video we're going to be comparing the new OnePlus 7T against the previous model, the OnePlus 7 Pro, to see which phone is better and if it's actually worth getting the new OnePlus 7T. Let's go. Hey there, my name's Sergio with Serge Tech, and in this channel I do tech reviews and tutorials. So if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and do so now. Hit the bell to receive notifications on my future videos. There's going to be links to all the information that I talk about in this video down below in the description. Alright, let's get right to the video now. Alright, so in this video, we're going to be fully comparing both these devices, the new OnePlus 7T against the previous OnePlus 7 Pro. We're going to be comparing speed on both of these devices to see which one is faster, and we're going to be comparing pictures and videos as well to see which one has a better camera. But first, let's go ahead and compare the specs on both of these devices. Alright, so first off, I just want to say the OnePlus 7 Pro was released in May 2019, and the OnePlus 7T was just released now in October 2019. First off, let's start off comparing these screens. So the OnePlus 7 Pro actually kept the bigger screen. It has a 6.67 inch fluid AMOLED display, and its resolution is 1440 by 3120, giving it a 516 pixel per inch density. The new OnePlus 7T, however, has a 6.55 inch fluid AMOLED display with 1080 by 2400 pixel resolution, giving it a lesser resolution of 402 pixel per inch density. So the actual screen and resolution of the OnePlus 7 Pro was better. It did keep the better screen, so no upgrade, in fact a downgrade as far as the screen goes on the new OnePlus 7T. So let's talk about the processor now. The processor on the OnePlus 7T has been upgraded slightly. It uses the Snapdragon 855 Plus processor, while the OnePlus 7 Pro was using the regular Snapdragon 855 processor. So the processor now on the OnePlus 7T is just a little bit faster, but not by much. Both devices come in 128 or 256 gigabytes for storage. The new OnePlus 7T, however, only comes with standard 8 gigabytes of memory RAM, while the OnePlus 7 Pro, you were able to select from a 6 gigabyte, 8 gigabyte, or 12 gigabyte RAM model. So you had a couple different options to choose from as far as RAM on the OnePlus 7 Pro. Neither of these devices has a slot for a SD card, and they both have 3 rear main cameras: a ultra-wide camera, a telephoto camera, and a wide camera. However, the cameras on the new OnePlus 7T has been upgraded slightly, giving you a few more megapixels on the ultra-wide and on the telephoto camera. So the OnePlus 7 Pro came with a 48 megapixel wide camera, a 8 megapixel telephoto camera, and a 16 megapixel ultra-wide camera, while the new OnePlus 7T brings a 48 megapixel wide camera, a 12 megapixel telephoto camera, and a 16 megapixel ultra-wide camera. So pretty much the only improvement there was the telephoto camera, which increased 4 megapixels. Both of them shoot videos with the rear cameras 4K at 60 frames per second, and the selfie camera on both of them stayed the same as well. They both have a 16 megapixel selfie camera that shoots maximum video quality of 1080p at 30 frames per second. The only difference being that the camera on the OnePlus 7 Pro pops in and out when you activate it, and the camera on the new OnePlus 7T just has the standard notch on the top of the screen for the camera. So let's talk about the batteries now. The battery on the previous OnePlus 7 Pro is actually slightly bigger. The OnePlus 7 Pro had a 4000 mAh lithium-ion battery, while the OnePlus 7T has a 3800 mAh lithium-ion battery. That's actually a downgrade there on the battery capacity. They're both fast charging capable, up to 30 watts warp charge. And finally, let's go over the prices. So the OnePlus 7 Pro is obviously the better phone, and the price is a little bit higher. It stands at $699. So the new OnePlus 7T, since it's still a great phone with almost all of the same features, just slight downgrades other than the processor, but they did drop the price on it. So the OnePlus 7T is $599, so $100 cheaper than the OnePlus 7 Pro. So now let's go ahead and compare the speeds notifications on both of these devices. All right, so here we have both devices. We have the OnePlus 7 Pro, which was released in May 2019, here on the left, and here on the right, we have the OnePlus 7T, which was just released now in October 2019. So we're gonna be doing a speed test right now. Let's start off with the boot test. So we're gonna turn both devices on right now in 3, 2, 1. To see which device turns on the fastest. So both of them showing the OnePlus logo there. And looks like the OnePlus 7 Pro booted on first. All right, so let's go ahead and move along to opening up some apps, and then we're gonna run a Geekbench 5 test at the end to get the benchmark scores. So both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. As you can see, brightness on the screen is about the same. So let's go ahead and start opening up the apps at the same time to see which device opens them up the fastest. Let's go. So very close there. I think the OnePlus 7T opened it up a little bit faster. Let's move along. Tempo Run 2. And the OnePlus 7 Pro ahead there just by a little bit. So let's move along to Candy Crush. And very close, the OnePlus 7 Pro did win though. Next up. So super close there. Asphalt 9. And the OnePlus 7 Pro does look like it's ahead. Next up, Magic Tiles 3. And that was a tie. So super close. All right, so moving along. Next up, Lords Mobile. And that was a tie, so they both tied up on that one. All right, so that was a tie. Next up, Crossy Road. And that was a tie as well. So let's go ahead and open up some shopping and social media apps. eBay up next. And that was really close. I think the OnePlus 7T won that one though. Pandora, music streaming. That was really close. I'm gonna have to give that a tie. Although it sounded like the music started playing in this one, but the screens opened up at the same time. Amazon Shopping up next. And the OnePlus 7 Pro won that one. Groupon. OnePlus 7 Pro. Netflix. And it looked like the OnePlus 7T won that one. Facebook up next. The OnePlus 7T won that one. Instagram up next. And that looks like it was definitely a tie. YouTube up next. And that looks like it was a tie as well. So let's go ahead and run the Geekbench 5 now so that we can get scores on both of these devices. The scores should be pretty similar though, but let's see. Alright, so they are very similar since they do have a very similar processor and similar RAM as well. So 754 here for the 7 Pro and a little bit higher scores for the 7T. 789, 2797 multi-core score and 2828 multi-core score for the OnePlus 7T. So the processor on the OnePlus 7T is the Snapdragon 855 Plus, which is a tiny bit faster than that of the OnePlus 7 7 Pro. And as you can see here, the cores of the processor are the same speed, 4 cores at 1.79 gigahertz, and then 3 cores at 2.42 gigahertz. But then that last core, it has 1 core that the OnePlus 7T has a little bit faster, 2.96 gigahertz. This one is 2.84 gigahertz. And both of them come with 8 gigabytes of memory RAM. And then down here we have just more detailed information on each of the tests performed. So let's go ahead and compare some pictures and videos now from both cameras on these devices. Alright, so here we are recording with both phones side by side. Hello there, what's up, dude? You're not scared of me at all, are you? You just walked right up to me. So yeah, here we are recording with both phones, 4K, 60 frames per second, so that we can see if either one of these phones has a better camera. Although both of them, there's more of them coming, look at that. I guess they think that I got food on me. What's up, guys? Alright, so here we are recording on both devices, 1080p, 30 frames per second. I'm not sure if we're going to notice a big difference here, since both cameras are very similar, but you guys will be the judge of that. So yeah, let me know in the comments down below which camera you think is better, if you notice a difference. Although they should be pretty much the same. The only thing that changes with the selfie camera is just the processor on the phone. So yeah, let me know what you think. Alright, so there you have the speed test and the camera comparison on both of these devices. So you're probably asking yourself, is the new OnePlus 7T worth buying? Is it a good phone? Is it worth upgrading from if you have the OnePlus 7 Pro? So let's go over all of that really quickly. So if you have the OnePlus 7 Pro, the OnePlus 7 Pro is a better phone. It is better than the OnePlus 7T overall, because the slight improvements on the OnePlus 7T don't match up for all of the downgrades that it has compared to the OnePlus 7 Pro. So let's just go over everything really quickly. So the OnePlus 7T, the processor is just a tad bit faster. The camera is just a little bit better. Only the telephoto camera has the actual improvement, and the price is $100 cheaper. So those are the 3 main pros to getting the OnePlus 7T over the OnePlus 7 Pro. Now let's go over the pros of the OnePlus 7 Pro. So the OnePlus 7 Pro has a bigger camera. It has a better screen with higher resolution, and it has the full display because of the pop-up selfie camera. So the larger battery will help you with longer battery life, and those are pretty much the main differences. So if you don't have a OnePlus at all and you're thinking about getting one, then the OnePlus 7T is definitely a great buy, especially if you don't want to have to spend an extra $100 just for minor differences. So the OnePlus 7T is an excellent phone. If you have the OnePlus 7 Pro though, I don't recommend that you upgrade, because you're probably going to be trading off specs that the OnePlus 7 Pro has over the new OnePlus 7T. So that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Go ahead and give it a like. It really helps my channel out a lot. And that's it for this video. I'll see everyone in the next video. And as always, peace. Ciao.